Today in our 2017 Lexus RX350, we're going to be taking a look at and showing you how to install the Curt T Connector vehicle wiring harness with 4-pole flat trailer connector for factory tow package, part number 56083. This is what our wiring harness looks like when it's installed. It's going to give you all the necessary functions for your trailer, both turn signals, your brake lights, your running lights, and your ground. This is going to be a custom fit wiring harness, so it's going to plug directly into your factory tow package wiring. It's also going to come with a removable dust cap. It's going to help protect your connections from any corrosion. It's also going to second as a holder to help keep your wiring from dragging the ground when not in use. Now, if you'd like a more permanent mounting location, I recommend picking up a long bracket, part number C57202, and a 4-pole bracket, part number 18144. First thing we need to do is we're going to come on the driver's side, right up behind your bumper fascia. You're going to see a white little plug. You're going to want to remove this cap. This is going to be your factory wiring. On the front side of it, you're going to have a little tab you're going to push in to pull that cap off. Push in on that and pull out. Next, we're going to take our wiring, plug it in, push it in until you hear it click. And we're going to run our 4-pole side over like this. Use our cap to hold up our 4-pole end. We can take our excess wire. We can just find a place to zip tie the excess up to keep it out of the way. I think these two tabs right here on our fascia is a good place. And we'll cut off our excess, clean up our install a little bit. Now that we have it installed, go ahead and test it out. Make sure everything's working correctly. Left turn, right turn, running lights, brakes. That'll do it for a look at and installation on the Curt T Connector vehicle wiring harness with 4-pole flat trailer connector for factory tow package, part number 56083 on our 2017 Lexus RX350.
Thanks for watching. Click the link in our description below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com. And leave us a comment if you have any questions.